Hey there garden friends, it's Heather at Bush Poppy Farm. Today I am doing some more work in the kitchen, making cowboy candy, oven roasting cherry tomatoes, and making some salsa. So what do you do when you have a plethora of vegetables? You can preserve them if you can't eat them all fresh. So I have another big bowl of tomatoes here. I'm going to make some more salsa. And in here are all these wonderful cherry tomatoes that I'm actually going to just pop in the oven, a 200-degree oven with some salt and pepper on them, cut them in half first, and then I'm going to dry them so that we have dried cherry tomatoes that we can use for various things or just eat them like candy. And then I'm going to take all of these jalapenos here and make cowboy candy, which is a candied jalapeno. They're in a sugar syrup, super good, really great. I've been eating them on crackers with cream cheese. Oh God, so good. But also you can put them on meats or whatever. Use it just as a side, depends on how hot you like things, but highly recommended. So I'll go over that recipe as well. So first I'm gonna start by getting these guys ready to go in the oven. Candy. You can see what it looks like on the inside there. Again, these are sugared in sugar syrup pieces of jalapeno pepper. So my favorite way to eat them is on a cracker with some cream cheese and then one of the servings of jalapeno. These crackers actually are this brand. I totally love these crackers. Oh my God, they're so good. So just take a bite. Spicy, sweet. You can taste the allspice and the ginger in there. So good. These are my appetizers for my grilled ham and cheese for lunch. So I'm gonna sign off. I need to eat my lunch. And I wanna thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. If you want the recipe for the Cowboy Candy, it is down in the description box. And the salsa is down there as well. Thanks so much. Have a great time in your garden, and I'll see you in the next one.